Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some neon pony beads, and you will need a string that measures about 10 inches, and then I have one to make a bracelet about the size of your wrist. You're also going to need scissors, a lighter, and a needle. And we're going to start with putting on 2 pink beads on each side, one that goes through both, and then pink on each side. We're going to hold this end, pull the other string, and then tie this. Go ahead and cut that. This is what it looks like. Put your needle on, and we're going to go through this pink. You're going to add a pink and go through this one. Flip it over and go through this pink, and we're going to add a pink and go through this one. Okay, we're going to add a pink. We're going to go back through this one. You're going to want to make that tight. Okay, and then we're going to go back through this bead that we just added. You're going to add a pink. We're going to go through this one. You might have to keep pulling the string as you work this. We're going to go up this bead that we just added. You're going to add a pink and go through this one. And we're going to go down this one. We're going to add another pink, and we're going to go through this bead. And through this pink. Okay, we're going to put on 2 pink. And this time we're going to take our string and go through the second bead, and then through this bead, this bead right here. And you might need to adjust this one. And then you can tie this. And cut this off. And if you want to tuck your little knot in that bead, and just move those beads until you get it to how you like it, and then you can come up with a pattern that you like. I think I'm going to do 3 black and the rainbow. And I think that's about long enough. So I'm going to go ahead and tie this. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.